When driving a HIKO, here's some ways to keep you and your whānau safe. Always wear your seatbelt as the driver. Make sure everyone in the car has their seatbelt on before you leave. Also remember to adjust and position your seat so you feel comfortable and you can safely reach the steering wheel and pedals below. Before you turn your car on, please ensure you check your mirrors so you can take off safely. Follow the New Zealand road rules at all times and keep to the speed limit. Other people make mistakes. The faster you go, the bigger the mess. Please keep our HIKO clean and tidy. If you make a mess, please clean it up and remove any rubbish before the end of your booking. Driving distracted is worse than driving drunk. Please keep your phone on silent or put it down and out of reach so you can focus. Don't drive tired. Tired drivers have slower reactions. Make sure you get plenty of rest before you head out on a long trip, or pull over so you can rest and recharge to get back on the road. Make sure you're driving with a clear head. Driving under the influence is not only illegal, but it slows your reactions, impairs your judgment, and blurs your vision. Make sure you've got laser focus because it's not worth the risk. Last but not least, make sure you're following EV etiquette, and once your booking has been completed, return the HIKO to the charging hub at the marae and plug it in so it's fully charged for the next whānau. Also make sure you're returning on time so whānau aren't waiting for you.